what is the best airline to work for as an aircraft mechanic? Some people like general aviation. They get to do different things in general aviation. Compared to airlines, people don't, sometimes there's some people who don't like the environment of the airlines. The bureaucracy, all the regulations and rules, of the work center. So it just depends. Oh, back to the airline thing. And some people love it because they get a great check, unlimited, overtime and stuff like that. So it just depends, who you are, what you're about and stuff like that, who you are. So that's important as a mechanic, and you gotta ask yourself that question, to grow some self-awareness. Like, who am I? What I like to do? Do I like people? You can go and work for yourself and work around the airport doing, small odd jobs here, going to business for yourself. We have some old heads around here in the airport. He does IA work and he doesn't want a boss. Try to hire him and he's like, fuck no, I don't want a job. And anything that he's turned down a DME job, that would have been a sweet gig, but he turned it down because he doesn't want to deal with a certain agency. And he can just say, whatever, I don't want to deal with y'all. I'm done with this program. So you never know. That's the thing you got to ask yourself, if that's something you want to do. And he loves being his own boss. He loves doing sheet metal. He loves doing small engine work and things like that.